What's going on, guys? My name is Jesse EB. I want to talk to you about Max and Nick's program here and my experience with it. No, I'm not a paid actor. I have an online presence. I have a YouTube. You could come check me out. You could come talk to me if you have any questions about the program. I've had a really positive experience with it. And I've actually, on Instagram, I've documented my entire journey. I'm going to continue documenting my journey, and maybe that could be beneficial for you, or you could shoot me a DM if you have any questions. I've been an entrepreneur for a couple years, and I've had some success with some other methods like Shopify, some unrelated methods to Nick and Max's program, but I'm dead serious from the bottom of my heart. Like, as soon as I really get this rolling, I'm selling my Shopify store. And just for an example, I've profited. I'm not talking about my gross revenue, I'm talking about my profit has been $2,000 in 1 week, and that's just starting out. That's with me only doing this, working on this for about, the actual ads have been running for about a week and a half. For me, I became profitable in my first month, and that's including the amount that I spent on ads. I got reimbursed all the ad money. The amount I spent on the program, I got reimbursed that for the first month, and it's been just incredible. They help actually streamline the entire process, so there's not really any trial and error, so that they show you the path, so that there's no confusion. All you have to do is follow, kind of bounce off the sides like a bowling ball with the sides up. You're bouncing off the sides, but eventually you get down the middle and you start having success. You hit the pins, right? And eventually, the more you practice, you can shoot down the middle of the lane without bumping off the side bumpers anymore. They were able to provide all these shortcuts that completely blew my mind, that I would have never had the opportunity to be a part of unless I took them up on their program. This is years of trial and error, hundreds of thousands of dollars condensed into one program to show you exactly what you have to do, and without any bullshit. It's scary to invest that money. I know, and I'm doing okay for myself, and I'm comfortable, and it's still scary to invest that money. But I would not be here putting my personal brand on the line with my online presence and my reputation on Instagram and YouTube unless I truly believed from the bottom of my heart that this was a good investment. There's so many gurus out there, so many bullshit gurus that are trying to sell you coaching, trying to sell you courses, everything like that. And it took me 2 years of going through all that, fine-tuning everything, finding exactly what I wanted to do, and the stars aligned perfectly to get me in line and meet up with Max and Nick being the perfect coaches that I've been looking for. So I could save you a lot of time of looking around for coaches and trial and error, maybe blowing some money places, and I could just tell you this is a good investment, because essentially what they teach you is how to make a money machine. You have a money machine that's spitting out money, and it's like a slot machine. If you put $1 into a slot machine and you're guaranteed to receive $2 back, you'd put $1 in there all day, right? So this is like a machine that you build, and like little pieces burn out, then you swap things around, you move it around, switch some things, and then press start, and the money starts flowing out again. And maybe goes for a week, and then you have to fix some things, move some things around, turn it back on, money starts flowing back out. I'm still in disbelief because I could show you my sales have already been 8,000 just in the amount of time that I've done this. I have a YouTube video, so I'm gonna edit this and I'll do a screenshot here of my sales on my computer. If I was doing this by myself, it'd be so much trial and error, so much money spent, and I would not be able to receive all the hookups and like tools and basically connections that they are able to provide, since they're deep in the program and they're doing well for themselves. It's a shortcut, and at the end of the day, we're cheating the system, and it's kind of unbelievable, but it's pretty awesome. And again, if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram with a DM. I'll talk to you, man. I'm not a paid actor or something, and you can see that by of my journey being documented. I'm just super grateful. This is the vessel that's gonna bring me to the next level in my life, so that I can impact more lives positively, have more freedom, and really work on changing the world. So anyway, enough rambling. Hit me up if you have any questions, and good luck. Let me know if you joined the program. Let me know how you're doing. All right, good luck. Peace.